Nissan NV200 leak repairs. Nissan Motor Company is a Japanese multinational automobile manufacturer headquartered in Nishi-ku, Yokohama, Japan. The company sells its vehicles under the Nissan, Infiniti, and Datsun brands, with in-house performance tuning products labeled Nismo. It's important not to confuse the 2020 Nissan NV200 with the full-size Nissan NV. Although both are commercial cargo vans, the NV200 is much smaller and has front-wheel drive, so it can't tow or haul as much as its larger sibling. Designed for small businesses and fleet operators that don't need a ton of space, the NV200 is even smaller than some minivans, which makes it fuel-efficient and easy to park and maneuver in urban environments. It competes with the Ford Transit Connect, Mercedes-Benz Metris, and Ram ProMaster City. Routine service and maintenance are crucial to keeping your Nissan NV200 in optimal condition. Here are some general service tasks that you may need for your vehicle. Regular oil changes. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter at regular intervals as specified in the owner's manual. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter to ensure proper air intake and maintain engine efficiency. Brake inspection and service. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace components as needed for optimal braking performance. Tire rotation and alignment. Rotate tires at recommended intervals to ensure even wear. Check and adjust wheel alignment as necessary. Fluid checks and replacements. Regularly check and top up essential fluids, including coolant, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Battery inspection. Inspect the battery for corrosion and ensure it is securely mounted. Replace the battery if it shows signs of weakness. Transmission service. If your Nissan NV200 has an automatic transmission, follow the manufacturer's recommendations for fluid and filter changes. Suspension inspection. Inspect the suspension system for wear and damage. Address any issues with shocks, struts, or other components. Exhaust system check. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks, damage, or unusual noises. HVAC system maintenance. Ensure the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning HVAC system is functioning correctly. Wiper blade replacement. Replace windshield wiper blades if they show signs of wear to maintain visibility in adverse weather conditions. Spark plug replacement. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for spark plug replacement to ensure efficient combustion. It's essential to refer to the specific maintenance schedule outlined in the owner's manual for your Nissan NV200. Additionally, having service performed by authorized Nissan service centers or qualified technicians ensures that the work is done to the manufacturer's standards. For more accurate and up-to-date information, consider checking the latest owner's manual or contacting your local Nissan dealership.